What's good, YouTube? Welcome back to another Instructify video. Today's video, I'm gonna go over how you could limit your respawn setting, where you once you die, you're just gonna automatically die and spectate. All right, so what you gotta do is go to island settings. Once you're in island settings, you have to click on mode. Once you're in mode, you have to scroll down until you see spawn limit. You have to click on 1, and there you go. You just start game. Once you start the game, you should already have it. Make sure you guys like, subscribe, and let me know what you guys want next.